Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. And if I haven't said it lately, if I can do this, you can too. Today we're making coconut almond blondies. What is this? Well, it's like a brownie, but it's a blondie, and it has coconut and almonds in it, and of course brown sugar and chocolate. Sort of sounds like those magic bars that you might make with some sweetened condensed milk, but this is a blondie variety. So let's find out. I was inspired by this song. They could be that square, not to compare. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your square or rectangle shaped pan ready to go. I have lined mine with parchment paper, and if you want to see how I did this, happy to show you. Salted butter, dark brown sugar. Mix this around a little bit first, just in case there are any of those chunks, which mine has a couple. Granulated sugar, vanilla, egg. Dry ingredients, flour, salt, baking powder, and because this recipe has chocolate, you know I can't resist, half teaspoon optional espresso powder. Add your dry to your wet ingredients. Fold together. Shredded coconut, add most of it. We're going to keep some of it to be on the top of these bars. Add in your chocolate, either in chunks or chocolate chips or chopped, your choice. Add in your chopped almonds. These are slivered and roasted. Keep folding. Just about there, and this is smelling awfully like a Girl Scout cookie. Add to your pan. We'll spread it around in just a minute. Press it to spread it around best you can. Try to keep the parchment paper in there. Keep rotating this a little bit. I've been pressing from the center, but one trick is to spray the bottom of your pan with some spray and then put the parchment paper down, because then it won't move. But I forgot about that. Sprinkle the remaining ingredients on top. Remember, we left a little bit left over. Into the oven for 24 to 28 minutes until a toothpick comes out almost 100% clean. Time's up, let's check it. It's looking nice and toasty, but let's see if there are going to be a lot of crumbs coming out. There are not. Let's take it out. Let it cool on a wire rack, and then once it's cooled, we will cut, slice, and eat them. I lifted this out of the pan, let it cool, and now I'm going to put it on top of a cutting board. So let's cut this into slices. Look at this coconut almond blondie. I mean, come on. If you like almond joy, if you like Girl Scout cookies with the coconut on top, I forget what they're called now. They have a new name. Doesn't matter. It's going to be good. Chocolate, coconut, almond, sugar. I mean, let's give this a taste. These are fantastic. The espresso powder adds a little bit more depth to it, as does that salted butter that's included in here. And of course, the fantastic combination of the almonds, the chocolate, the coconut. I mean, these are great. These are great. Totally worth making. If I can make these coconut almond blondies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, make for your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.